Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Mom.
Today is our trip to Canada.
Wow!
Yes, I understand.
Mom, what happened?
I just got news from the airline. The weather will be very bad.
We must fly 2 hours early. Please pack your things very fast.
Mom, we are ready!
Put the bags in the car. Please wear your seatbelt.
Go Papa Beefbot. Dad, why are we not moving?
Please drive carefully.
Mom, an accident?
Yes. The cars are stuck. We find another way.
I found one. This road is clear.
Na na na.
We are here.
We are here. Run! 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 Come on, run! We need to go now.
Oh, no.
Hurry! This way.
Oh.
Let's go. We must hurry.
We go to gate 12. Gate 12?
Awesome.
We are here. We sure are. This is our gate. Yay! Finally! Let's go! We are on time.
Yes, looks like it.
Look at that plane.
Isn't it big?
May I see your passports, please?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, son.
Where is passport control?
Go straight and turn left.
We made it. We made it.
Ah!
Have a nice flight. Welcome on board.
These are our seats.
Woohoo!
Let's sit down.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Yeah. Mom, I see the wing.
We are flying.
Mom, my heart is fast.
It's okay, just breathe. Would you like something to eat?
How much is this sandwich?
This one is $5.
4 sandwiches, please. Here is $20.
Thank you. 1 orange juice, please.
It is very good, Mom. The clouds look so soft. When do we land?
Soon. Just a little more time.
Please prepare for landing.
Welcome to Canada.
Let us find our bags. Please have your passports ready. May I see your passports?
What is the purpose of your visit? We are here for vacation.
We need a taxi.
Okay. Okay, right there.
Please take us to this hotel. Yes, I can do that.
The city looks beautiful.
Wow.
Look at that light.
We are here.
Let's go in.
It feels warm and cozy.
I am very hungry.
Is there food here?
It is late now. Only a few snacks left.
We can get you some food, sweetie. Mom, can we eat something hot?
Huh?
Okay, Ben. We will go out to eat.
There is one near here.
Yay!
Let us eat here.
Oh,
Let's try this. Looks now.
this place looks nice. Let us choose our food.
We would like 4 meals, please.
Here is your food. Thank you.
Looks delicious.
Delicious.
This is very good. Let us go back to the hotel.
Welcome. Here is your room key.
Thank you very much.
We are on the 5th floor.
Wow! This room is big. The city is so bright.
Let us sleep early for tomorrow.
Tomorrow will be fun.
Good night.
Please like and subscribe to watch more exciting videos.